Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we are giving sew in with minimal leave out realness. We're giving tape ins, we're giving clip ins, but it's a U-part wig. So today I've teamed up with Unice hair to bring you this gorgeous body wave 20-inch 250% density U-part wig. We are going to be installing her together. The texture on this one is so beautiful that I just wanted it to leave it in its natural state. I'm going to show you how I go ahead and do my natural hair, leave out, straighten it to blend with the hair, and look at it from the back. So you can go ahead and throw it in a low ponytail. You guys know, as far as like the tape ins, the clip ins, the leave out sew ins, all the girls are indulging, but we're also indulging in the ponytail. So you can also do that with this wig. If you're not someone who really is familiar with or comfortable with going to a stylist, you can really literally invest in this one wig and you can do it all. I have my real hair out. If you want to take some wax or some spritz or whatever and really just spritz your hair down, do your little baby hair and leave out and all of that, and you can literally have the same look as your favorite celebrity, Instagram girl, YouTube guru, what have you. I have mine to the back, but you can also bring it to the front. I did only do one heat pass with my hair. I am adamant about not getting any heat damage, so this is the perfect addition for that. And tonight I'll be able to just put my leave out into some big flexi rods to blend it with the beautiful wavy texture, and we are good to go. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, all the tea on this wig and so forth and so on, keep on watching. Okay, my babies. Yo soy Ashlita. Today we're going to be working with Unice wig. Look at the package that they sent me. So this is the wig here, and you see how nice and full. I believe this is like 250% density. 200 or 250. I'll have all the details in just a moment. But this is the packaging as always. And it is a U-part wig, so that is why I am natural and looking crazy right now. But look at the package. You see how much stuff they laced us with, all these free goodies. It's literally full to capacity, and somehow this wig was in the box with it. That is wild, and I feel so lucky and blessed because, wow, you guys did the most, and I'm so happy about it. So I'll show you what's in the box towards the end of the video. This wig is body wave texture. Look at that. And as I mentioned, it's a U-part wig, so this is the inside construction of the cap. Don't be nervous about these little straps right here. They add these pieces, and it's just so that like when you receive your wig, you can do literally exactly what you want with it. So like if you first receive your wig and you want to put it on a wig head, display it, prop it up, it doesn't come like loose and wide and open. It comes like structured, if you will. And then all you'll do is, I'm sure you could probably rip it with your hand, but you don't want to ruin your wig. So just take some scissors and just cut it off. And it won't ruin or damage your wig. It is literally meant to be detached. And now that we've cut those two pieces off, you now officially have a U-part wig. And this is why it's called a U-part wig, because instead of lace, there is a U-shaped opening in the center of the wig. And instead of lace, you're gonna leave out of your real hair to go there, and you're gonna, you know, go ahead and bot it down. So my hair is like a 4-day-old blow dry. It's been hot in LA. I have not been sleeping with a bonnet. I didn't even do a hard blow dry for real. Well, I used my Dyson, and that one really doesn't give me like a hard blow dry like a strong one. So whenever working with your real hair, I always suggest you have 2 combs at least, a wide tooth comb and then a parting comb. So this is a precision comb from Bedeck.com. I'll have it linked in the description box. This piece right here works great when you are like doing braids, and you guys know how it is when you're doing your box braids, your cornrows and all of that. This also works great both sides for making perfect, precise parting. And then you want something a little bit wider. It doesn't necessarily have to be this wide, but we call these wide tooth combs or shower combs. And this is the best way to detangle detangle your hair, starting towards the ends and working your way up. Since my hair is a little bit blown out, it's not like all the way tangled, but you know, it has kinks. You guys know I've had three children, so I've dealt with postpartum shedding in its extreme 3 times, and honestly I just feel like my hair is not the same. Like, you know, like it got amazing during pregnancy, then it got extremely bad, then I got pregnant again, it got amazing during the next pregnancy, and then, you know, like 3 times in the last, what, 7 years, this part has been like ski bald. When you get to be like 4 months postpartum, you literally go bald, or at least I do, and it doesn't matter the gender of the baby. So with that being said, I am literally just parting out what is going to be set as my part for my U part. Okay, for the most part, this is what my hair looks like in 2 regular braids. Let's not waste any time. I'm just going to take a scrunchie and make it a ponytail as low and, you know, close to the nape as possible. Then I'm just going to take this wig cap. My hair, I'm very sensitive, so if there's any combs or anything in there, I want them to snag as least as possible. So I'm just going to put this, and it's just literally going to sit on the back of my head. It's not really protecting much, but if there are, like, you know, combs towards the back of the wig or what have you, it's just going to help make sure that my hair is not snagging. Now let's begin the install. So for the wig itself, there are 3 of these combs. You have one here, and then one here, and then you also have the wig clips. So these are considered combs where it just kind of goes in and out, and then these here line the U shape, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and these actually are clips because they open up and close like so. Okay, so putting the wig on, I'm grateful that the wig fits snug. I think I did a U part recently, but typically U-part wigs kind of fit loose, and what I mean by loose is it feels like it's gonna fall off. Oh, you got 2 bottles, one is yours and one is Dom's from your babies. So I'm gonna just take a piece of hair from here. You see how this is like a little forward? I'm just gonna pull a piece of hair out of that, open up the clip, and use it to attach. So the wig is literally attached to my hair, and as you guys can see, it literally fits so snug around the U. There's no like gaps or anything. And this is what the wig looks like on. As I said before, it's very full and voluminous, nice and super long. Very perfect for the summer. So I'm gonna give myself a quick trim. You guys see I really need a trim terribly, so I want to cut that much. You probably didn't even see that, but I cut a lot. Now let's go ahead and to flat iron our hair. We're gonna go for 1 heat pass, maybe 2 max. So that's what it looks like with 1 heat pass.
Come here. Okay. Mom. I love you.
I love you more, sweet girl. My sweet baby.
We got 10 bottles.
You got twin bottles? The same bottles? I know.
They look. It's for my baby.
I know. You like it? Okay, so next I'm going to do something that I'm probably going to regret. I'm going to just take my wax stick, and this is from bedeck.com, and I'm just going to rub it in the palm of my hand. When it warms up or works in, it dries clear always. So I just want to give the hair, my natural hair, a little bit of product to help it to blend. I don't want to wet it, and I don't really want to curl it just because I don't want to add too much manipulation to my natural hair, and I feel like I'm not going to do any baby hair. Now for the ends and maybe just a little bit up top, I'm going to add serum. You guys know this is my mom's favorite serum from back in the day, and I love it too. So I'm going to start at the bottom, because really I just want to see if I can just make the curl the natural way that the hair comes with pop without adding any heat. This is what it looks like. Okay, let's turn it to the back.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause
now, as I always tell you, I love a U-part for a good pony. You guys know the ponytail is super popular these days, so if you got somewhere to go, it's good to have a U-part wig on deck so that you can literally just pull a little leave out, press it out to cover, and then you can do you a really nice low pony. And I mean, if you short wig, so like today my hair is like, I don't really want to add any product, but you can use like beeswax. I'll have it linked in the description box, and you can wax and spritz or whatever you use this thing down. You can pull out your baby hair and you can do the same type of low pony that everybody is going to get installed these days, except yours is a heavy density, super nice wig and not just some cheap throw on bundle hair. And then truth be told, you can come right back home and take it off if you choose. It can go behind the ear because my hair is kind of long and goes into the wave pattern and I don't want to really curl it. I can do that, or I can use flexi rods to kind of like rod my hair at night. This is what the wig looks like on the website. So as mentioned, this one is a 250% density U-part body wave wig. The length is 26 inches, and then they do have like some deals going on, so be sure to check the description box. Follow them or check out their Instagram. It's at Unice Hair, and of course they have Afterpay, Klarna, Quadpay, and Sezzle. 10% off with the code MyUnice. I know that was a lot and a mouthful. I encourage you guys to check the description box because all of this, like, they already sent me the information for the description box, so I'm literally reading from what you guys will see in the description box. And then as I showed you guys, they gave us some really nice goodies. So, but this is the dust bag that's specifically set for this wig. So she has a home straight out the back, and I like this. It was like a little champagne, like peachy color, super cute. I feel like I'm at my birthday party showing off what I got. This is a bonnet. When you open this up, we have a melt belt, like a wig band. We have 2 packs of wig caps, 1 pack, 2 packs. This looks like a headband, and it's kind of like a really nice, like brownish, tannish snake print. And this goes perfect on the hairline. So for example, if you want to wear this one out, but you want to, like, it gets dark out, you know, when it gets late, the edges start to get crazy, the weather changes. So it's good to have something to be able to cover whenever doing a leave out. Always keep that in mind. Like, if you're going to be out about and you got leave out, just be mindful to leave a cute little headband so you're not throwing a bonnet on. I would prefer you to wear a designer scarf, just not a bonnet. Designer scarves are in style around your hair, so I highly recommend those. And then this is their gorgeous, beautiful pink robe. It does have their logo here on the back, so this sits behind your neck here. And then when you put her on, it's beautifully embossed right here, like. Okay, love bugs, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me know how you would rock this, especially my big forehead girls. If you know somebody who wears wigs and leave out, this would it be given when you wear leave out. So grateful for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box and subscribe on your way out. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.